This was the last place Jetta saw the medal. Do you smell anything?
Like what?
Like clues, T-Bone.
What's a clue?
Anything that will help lead us to Jetta's missing medal.
Oh. Achoo! Is this a clue?